Hello friends, you are watching Linux for You YouTube channel. My name is Sushil Sharma and today's topic is advanced user group management, right? So we will see the some password policies, share directory and the system accounts, how to create them. So let's go to the Red Hat 10 and do the advanced user group management. Some commands I will share with you. So in the previous video I have taken one video that is based on the basic user group management, right? So it is the advanced user group management. Let's see how it will go. Now we will set first the password expiration policy, right? Suppose already you have a user and you have to set the uh, password policy. So we are enforcing the password policy. Suppose a user is there and we have to force the password change at the next logon of that user, right? So how you can do that? Sudo change -d 0 and the username, right? Suppose my username is Karthik. So this way this user is forced to change the password at next login, right? And after that suppose you want that Karthik password maximum lifetime I will set 90 days, right? So how you can set? Sudo change capital M, right? And 90 days I am selecting here and the username is Karthik. So this way we are setting the maximum password lifetime 90 days for Karthik user, right? Okay. Suppose we need to set the minimum days between the password change, right? So set minimum days between the password change, that is I'm going to 7 days. So here you have to do only small thing. You will need to use small m. So between the minimum days between the password changes I'm setting here 7. If you want to set the warning period, so you can set here. I'm setting the warning period. Before expiration there will be a warning for user. Suppose I'm setting 14 days before. So warning has been set to 14 days before, right? Suppose you want to set the system wide default for the new users. So I'm setting all of these settings for a particular user. But you want that after that you will create so many users and all the settings will be same for all the users. So you have to edit the another file and it is the system wide configuration file. So let's see that. Sudo vim /etc /login .dev. So it is a system wide configuration file. Here you can set so many things like you can set here the maximum days between the password change, minimum days, warning period. So all these things you can set here. So how you can set? Let's see. Suppose I want to set maximum days period, right? Now you can see here. It is written here. Pass maximum days, right? So here you can set maximum days, minimum days, warning. Sorry, maximum, minimum, and warning days. So here you can go. Now you can add one system account. Suppose I want to that there is a system account and that has no authority to log in to shell. So I'm using the command sudo user add hyphen r. Hyphen r means there will be no home directory created for that user. Has been no login, right? So here R means the user will not be created for a home directory, and there will be no authority given to the user the login shell, so it will not be available, right? So I'm creating a user, right? So this user is created and there will be no home directory, and it is has not allowed to using the cell, like I'm showing su hyphen backup svc. Just I'm setting the password of that user, then I will show you. So I'm setting the password first, and then now log in with that user. Now I'm trying to log in with this user. So here you can see that the account is currently not available. So this user is not able to use the shell, right? Suppose I want to give the authority of this user to a particular directory, right? So there is a directory, and I'm giving the ownership of that directory to this user, right? So first I'm creating a directory, sudo mkdir /srv /backup, right? So this way I created a directory. I'm giving the ownership of this user to this directory. So the command is sudo chon backup svc srv back. So I have given the ownership of this system account to that directory, right? So if you want to verify ls-ld and srv backup, here you can see the ownership is given to this user backup svc, right? So this way we haven't done the task. Or you can run one more command, id backup svc. So here you can see the id, user id, password, and the group of that user, right? So this way we have done the password expiration policies, the default configuration files. We have created a system user that has no login authority to the login shell, and we have given the ownership of that user to a directory. It will not be a usable shell. It will not have, right? So that is the advanced way of doing the user group management, and that is a part of your RHCSA EX200 exam. So do practice all these commands very well. And if you are liking the channel, you will really subscribe and like the channel. And if you want that all command I will share with you in the text format, please subscribe and like the channel, and leave your email ID in the comment. Surely I will give all the commands to you in the text format, right? Thank you very much for watching my channel.